Here are the top stories right now. PepsiCo is buying Poppi, a prebiotic soda brand, for $1.95 billion. This purchase will help PepsiCo offer healthier drink options as Poppi grows in popularity. Harvard University plans to make tuition free for families earning up to $200,000 starting in 2025-26. This initiative will help increase access for students and ensure a more diverse student body. Finally, a pet food brand is recalling certain cat food products due to potential bird flu risks. This action is a precaution to keep pets safe amid concerns about avian influenza. Check back here for news, weather, and more.